Have you ever wondered how such a powerful and destructive force like a tornado comes into existence? Nature, in all its beauty, holds many mysteries. Among these, tornadoes stand as one of the most awe-inspiring and terrifying. These swirling vortexes of wind can rip through landscapes, leaving destruction in their wake. They have the power to uproot trees, demolish buildings, and change lives in mere moments. But what exactly are tornadoes? In essence, a tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that is in contact with both the surface of the Earth and a cumulonimbus cloud. They are the most violent of all atmospheric storms, yet their formation remains a source of endless fascination. This fascination isn't just about their destructive power, but also about the intricate process that brings them into being. So, how do these monstrous whirlwinds come to life? What are the steps leading to their birth? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating process of tornado formation. The birth of a tornado starts with a thunderstorm, but not just any ordinary thunderstorm. We're talking about a supercell thunderstorm, an extraordinary type of storm that carries the potential to give birth to a tornado. This is no ordinary rain shower, mind you. This is a storm with an organized internal structure, a storm that is capable of severe weather conditions. You see, within this supercell thunderstorm, heavy rain and hail set the stage for a tornado. These elements create a downdraft, a current of cool air that descends rapidly due to the pull of gravity. This downdraft, colliding with the upward movement of warm, moist air, creates a powerful rotation within the storm. It's like the gears of a clock, each piece moving in harmony to create a functioning system. But a thunderstorm alone doesn't create a tornado. There's more to the story. Now imagine a horizontal spinning effect near the Earth's surface. This phenomenon is created when winds at different heights blow at varying speeds and directions. This difference, known as wind shear, sets up a kind of invisible spinning cylinder of air. But how does this horizontal spinning become a vertical tornado? That's where the thunderstorm comes in. The warm, moist air in a thunderstorm rushes upward, creating strong updrafts. These updrafts act like an elevator, lifting the spinning air from a horizontal position to a vertical one. Think of it like a spinning top. If it's knocked slightly, it doesn't fall over. Instead, the top starts to spin upright. Similarly, the updrafts tilt the spinning air into an upright position. This is the second step in the formation of a tornado. It's a complex interplay of wind, temperature, and pressure. A delicate balance that, when disturbed, can lead to one of nature's most powerful phenomena. This is where things start to get really interesting. So, we've got a vertically spinning column of air. Now what? Well, here's where things get really interesting. The area of rotation at this stage can be several miles wide. That's right, miles. Imagine an invisible cylinder of swirling air, stretching up into the storm, wider than most cities. Within this vast rotating area, smaller, more intense areas of rotation start to form. Picture these like whirlpools in the air, except they're not filled with water but wind. They twist and churn, feeding off the energy of the storm. Now, most tornadoes, they form within these intense areas of rotation. It's here that the forces of nature conspire to create something truly awe-inspiring. The air pressure drops, the winds whip up into a frenzy, and the swirling vortex tightens and intensifies. It's a wild, chaotic dance, where the elements mix together, creating a spectacle that's both terrifying and fascinating. And voila, a tornado is born. So, there you have it, the birth of a tornado. This captivating phenomenon is a three-step dance of nature, each step as crucial as the other in the formation of a tornado. It all begins with a supercell thunderstorm, setting the stage with its rotating updrafts and powerful winds. Then, the horizontal spinning effect near the Earth's surface comes into play. Acting like a spinning top, it's this rotation that lays the groundwork for the tornado's signature spiral. Finally, we see the formation of a vertical spinning column of air. This is the moment when the tornado truly takes shape, its swirling winds reaching speeds that can cause unimaginable destruction. Each of these steps is a testament to the power and complexity of our natural world. So the next time you hear about a tornado, you'll know exactly how that powerful force of nature came to be.